Having tools that make your life as a tech easier in most cases are worth it. But some of the tools, like the heated display removal fixture for the newer iPhone series, can cost a lot up front, and you might not be doing enough of those yet to justify it. So in the meantime, having this less expensive tool will definitely help you in opening those newer models without the stress that comes with potentially breaking them. At less than 1/10 of the overall cost of the heated display removal fixture, it definitely won't break the bank. It may not be as easy as using a more expensive machine, but in the end, you will still be able to complete the job. And tighten it down while pushing it against the phone. That way I know that we're parallel there. We'll tighten this down as well. Slide the section where we want it, right about there. Clamp it down. So if I twist this knob, it's going to lift it up. And if I twist this one, it's going to tilt it so that it lifts it sideways. A couple drops of isopropyl alcohol along the border will definitely help loosen up any adhesive. And as we get higher and higher, and then start to get the top section out. This particular screen separating tool has one advantage the other opening tools don't have, including the heated display removal fixture. That is that it can open to the side, allowing for the flex cables that go to the display and the proximity sensor assembly to have little to no tension while working on or in the phone. Even though I have a heated display removal fixture machine, I may need to open a phone in a different location, and lugging around a heavy machine wouldn't be practical. But this tool is lighter and much more compact, allowing me to take it places that other machines can't go. I'll have a link for this tool in the description below. Leave a comment letting me know what is your favorite method to opening the newer iPhones. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.